Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable the Use AI tags in photo search feature in the OneDrive app on your Android phone. This option affects how OneDrive uses artificial intelligence to analyze and categorize your photos automatically. Let's learn how to turn it off step by step. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Permissions. Look for the option called Use AI Tags in Photo Search. Toggle the switch off to disable this feature. By turning this off, OneDrive will no longer use AI to tag or improve photo search automatically. Keep in mind, this process is fully automated. No one at Microsoft will view your photos. That's it. You've successfully turned off AI photo tagging in OneDrive. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android and app tutorials. See you next time.